What up, guys? Icehole187, bigboxbreaks.ecreator.com. Trilogy group break number 57's filled, and we'll get to it. Laptop kind of shit the bed here, so I'm on a different computer in the house. So let's get to it. I got everything set up here. I got the people, and I've got the teams. We'll do each 3 times, starting with the teams. So 1, 2, 3. Copy. Paste. Where the hell do I go here now? And people in the break. 1, 2, and 3. Copy. There it is. Paste. And as always, put this in the description below, guys. So let's get to it. Okay, Jets go to CC Levy 22. Wild go to Big John 42. New Jersey go to Clamorous. Toronto goes to D Jacula. Canadiens go to Big John 42. Columbus goes to Snoozer 188. C Roberts, you got the Hurricanes. Dallas Stars goes to Wazzy 08. Islanders go to D Jacula. Calgary Flames goes to Norwood. Vancouver Canucks goes to D Jacula. Buffalo goes to Clamor 88. Nashville Predators goes to Reese D63. Washington Capitals goes to C Roberts. Pittsburgh Penguins go to Clama 81. Phoenix goes to Eric Poi. Tampa goes to CC Levy 22. Anaheim goes to Don the Goods Ready. Ottawa goes to Nylon. Florida goes to Eric Poi. Rangers goes to Badliak. Something like that. LA Kings goes to Don's the Goods Ready. Avalanche goes to Eric Poi. Red Wings go to Thomas. Chicago goes to Norwood. Flyers go to CC Levy 22. Oilers goes to Wazzy 08. San Jose goes to Clamorous. Boston Bruins goes to Rob Reno 88. And the St. Louis Blues goes to Big John 42. So, like I said, all this will be in the description below. And we'll get to the break here. Let's get to the break here. Let's get something huge. Let's get a nail. Let's get a fucking nail, guys. 2, 3. That's there. Down a bit. Okay, pack 1 or box 1. I hope we don't have any randoms. I don't like randoms. Empty. Pack 1. Okay, Naslin base. Trots base. Iginla Penguins base. Theo Fleury. Marc-Andre Fleury, Gabriel Landeskog, and we got our clear cut It's an oldie of Mike Gartner for the Washington Capitals. These are sweet cards. They should have numbered them though. Oh, here's a decoy. Mike Gartner. Cool. Real nice hit there. I guess most of these hits are really nice. Okay, Braden Hopi, Malkin, Bacchus, and a triple jersey, all for the Calgary Flames, of Lanny McDonald, Jerome Iginla, and Roman Cervenka. Iginla there's got two colors, not patches but jerseys. Well, nice hit for the Flames. Put the blade away. Throw it to the side. Pack 3. I've seen another Flame. Or the Bruins. Chara. Jonas Hiller, the only guy in the world that can still buy Coho equipment. Claude Giroux. Pavel Datsyuk. And Roman Cervenka. This is a level 1 out of 699 for the Flames. Cool. Mini box 2. A lot of packaging. But the higher end the product, the more packaging we shall open. So this will be pack 4. Nice base card there. Joseph, Dion Phaneuf, another Malkin, David Bacchus, and oh wow, another puck auto out of 13, Ryan Ellis for the Nashville Predators. That looks like a guitar pick. I bet you that's exactly what it is. Wow. Ryan Ellis, Nashville, 13. Pack 5. Jonathan Toews. Marty, I did not get invited to Team Canada this year. Broder. Zdeno Chara. Decoy. And a random of Jaromir Jagr, Thomas Plekanec, and Patrick Elias. For the Bruins, Habs, and Devils. I think we're bound to always get a, random in this product. Jerseys are sweet though. All one colors. This one for the Bruins is blue, like from a Rangers jersey. Pack 6. Okay. PK. Mighty Joe Sakic. Hiller. Claude Giroux. Decoy. And an auto, rookie auto. Nathan Ballou for the Montreal Canadiens, and this one is a level 1 out of 699. Nice hit there for the Habs. Okay, final box. Nicely sealed. Good to see Upper Deck improve their packaging though. Their packs last year were pretty much fucking terrible. Sorry for swearing. Empty. Hey, this is a heavy one. Probably gonna be the Crystal or Cristal. Timo Solani, Lindros, the Nuge, Yaroslav Halak, Kopitar, Tyler Seguin, and for the LA Kings, Drew Doughty, Crystals. Not bad, not bad. Bad at all. Pack 8. Here we got Stephen Weiss, Carey Price, Ronnie Francis. Oh, piles slipping over here. Dennis Savard. And Jack Campbell. This one's out of 49. Level 3 for the Dallas Stars. Pretty good hit. Okay, so one last pack. No redemption, which is awesome. Jamie Benn, Eddie the Eagle, Ryan Kessler, Wayne the Great, and this is Charlie Coley, the Minnesota Wild. Pretty good hit there. This is also a level 1. Okay, so to set up the randoms for the free spot and for this triple. So yeah, set those up and we'll get to it. So let's get to the random for the triple jersey between the Bruins, Habs, and Devils. 3 times. Zoom in a bit here for you guys. So 1, 2, card goes to the Boston Bruins. Bruins get that guy. So Bruins. Rob Reno. Nice hit there, bud. And our free spot. Now, if you read the description, like all my breaks, if you bought off my website, bigboxbreaks.equator.com, you'll be entered to win. Free spot my next break, which could possibly be Trilogy again. Took a while to sell this one out, so looking like it's going to be probably O-Pee-Chee. So, yeah. So we'll random this 3 times too, so luck 1, 2, spot goes to CC Levy 22. You get the free spot in my next box. So definitely check out my site, guys, bigboxbreaks.ecreator.com. I still got this 7-boxer of limited, $25 a spot there, guys. That's a good deal. Lots of hits out of that. So yeah, CC Levy 22. If you want a spot in limited, if it fills first, you get a choice. So